In this video, we will discuss how to automate contracts in HubSpot using eSign and Google Docs. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot. Now, prepare your contact template in Google Docs first if you have it. So I have right here my template on Google Docs. Now, once it's ready, let's name this as a residential rental lease agreement. Now head over right here to your HubSpot and then head over to the integrations. So if you can't find it, click onto this search and search right here for integration. So click onto this right here, click on all integration. After that, proceed to search right here for Google Drive. So we need to connect Google Drive into our HubSpot so we can actually sync it. So you can see right here some other options for this case. I'll head over and choose right here this Google Drive Release app by HubSpot since this one is created by HubSpot itself. So once you have done this, click on this install option, click on connect Google Drive Release, and then just sign in using your account. Once it's been added, next thing we need to do is we need to head over to the HubSpot settings so we can enable eSign. You can do so by searching for the settings itself right here or clicking on this gear icon. So once you have clicked on that, we need to enable eSigns by going over to the objects. So scroll down right here until you can find it. Expand objects, and you can see in here these options. So for this case, we just need to look for quotes. Scroll down and look for it. Once you have clicked on quotes, next thing we need to do is we need to enable the e-signatures. So in here, you can set it up according to your liking. So you can add right here the publish quotes. You can also click on more and click on e-signature. Do take note that this feature is only available on the upgraded page UI. So for this case, you need to actually upgrade your plan in order to use this. But once you do, you can head over and then use it directly. So after you upgraded your account, you just need to head over to sales. After that, you can head over to the codes or documents. Click on this. Click onto this uploaded document. You can get from computer or from Google Drive if you have it ready. So once you have done this, head over and then add it ready right here. And then for this case, you can just sign the agreement that we have created. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you on my next video.